We have actually begun this year to have county-based consultations with national government administrators across the country so that we can work with them, one, to support registration of voters by supporting access to registration services. You know, the whole of Nyanza alone, we have about 54,000 IDs that have not been collected. And we have been asking counties here now, chiefs, assistant chiefs, to move around the villages and communities to ensure that everyone gets, who has not picked the ID, they pick the ID, because how are they going to register as voters if they don't have the IDs? So this is why the RC and the county commissioner and I were meeting the Ngao team in Nyamira, and we'll be meeting all of them. The RC has already been meeting chiefs and assistant chiefs in other counties to tell them that we have to support our people to ensure that they register, and then of course that's how they're going to register as voters.